What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
I'm Malcolm Cinos.
Baby, don't hurt me.
I'm Carla Torres.
Don't hurt me.
I'm Justin Rodriguez. Hey guys, I want you to do an empirical project with a regression chart.
An empirical project over what?
I want you to make a project over something that interests you, something that you want answered since you've been here at SFA.
I wonder if we could use the arc somehow.
I wonder what factors affect current GPA.
I wonder what they're thinking.
Hey, you look like you want to take a survey that's completely anonymous. No. Please? Fine. Thanks. Thanks, have a nice day.
When looking at the regression chart, we must first look at the adjusted R-squared. The adjusted R-squared gives us the goodness of fit of different independent variables to one dependent variable. The regression over our surveys had an adjusted R-squared of 20.6%, which means that 20.6% of the variation in current GPA is explained by our model.
Next, we must analyze the p-values of our variables. P-values tell us what is statistically significant in relation to our dependent variable. These are our p-values. We have found that high school GPA, partying nights per week, and ethnicity were statistically significant in our regression. In other words, the p-values that were less than 0.1 were the ones we were concerned with.
With this information, we can put together a regression equation to predict the current GPA of a student. We get this information from the coefficients, which are the values in front of the independent variables. For example, Megan Sapolsky volunteered her information to our regression equation, and we predicted her current GPA to be 3.369. Her actual GPA is 3.5. This concludes that our regression equation is an adequate predictor of a current GPA.
So we thought, what if the arc variable was based on whether or not a student goes to the arc? To do this, we created the arc variable as a dummy variable. These are the regression results with the arc as a dummy variable. The adjusted R-squared went down to 19% from its original 20.6%. The arc p-value rose to 0.902. With the arc as a dummy variable, we have found that it is not statistically significant.
The purpose of our project was to effectively prove that visiting the arc would increase the GPA of a student.
We have come to the conclusion that increasing visits to the ARC is not a significant variable in determining increases in student GPA.
In fact, high school GPA, party nights a week, and ethnicity were more effective factors in predicting current GPA.
With our research, we hope to be able to persuade more students on campus to take advantage of the ARC by having people put in their information into our regression equation and showing them how they could increase their current GPA if they took advantage of the indispensable resources that the ARC has to offer. This will give opportunity for the ARC to implement the regression equation into SFA 101 classes, student instructor, sessions, and one-on-one tutoring. These improvements to the model shall allow the ARC to view the efficacy of their programs on current GPA. Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm completely lost for words. You guys really blew me away with the incredible work that you guys have done. You guys leave me no choice but to just give you an A+. By the way, guys, don't even bother showing up to the final. I'm going to give you guys 100%. Good job.